Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is just going to be a little fun eyeshadow video. So, I was recently given a ton of makeup from my brother's girlfriend Lacey because she was cleaning out some of her stuff and was just getting rid of stuff that she's never used or doesn't use anymore and things like that. So she gave me a bunch of stuff, which I will be, trying out here on my channel, obviously. But the thing that she knew I was going to be most excited about is the Laura Lee Party Animal palette, which looks like this. And I was super, super excited to get it. And basically Lacey was like, if you want to keep all this stuff, do a look with all those colors in one. And obviously she was joking, but I think that's a fun way to really try out a new palette for the first time, especially if it's a little one like this, because with only having 6 colors in it, it'll kind of be hopefully easy to use them all. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to jump right in and get started, and my plan for right now is to start with these 2 colors in my crease. I'm going to start with this one and then blend it out with this one. Of course, the 2 blues, Karaoke and Damage Control. Ooh. I moved some of my stuff around and now I'm like all confused and shit. Since this is what I can find in front of me, this is my Morphe M506 and I'm taking Karaoke, which is the darker of the 2. Just gonna start to put this into my crease, and I'm just going to start to make these edges a little less harsh. It's weird because the orange is like the one color that I'm not exactly sure what I want to do. Why does this brush feel like it's ripping my eyelids apart? Rude. I'm trying to find a softer brush. I don't know. My eyelids are very dry, so I can't really blame the brushes. I'm going to go in with the lighter blue to blend this out before I do that on my other eye, because for some reason I've been having a really hard time blending my eyeshadows lately. So maybe I'm like, don't let it sit as long before you blend it. That will work. But also, I've never used this palette before, so maybe I wouldn't even have those problems. You can tell when I haven't filmed in a while because I just don't stop talking. Because I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever. It still isn't blending exactly how I would like it to, but that's okay. These colors so far are so pretty. And obviously with all the stuff that I got that's new, I will be doing an updated eyeshadow collection, and also, I want to get through a couple more colors for my color story thing that I'm doing. But right now, that honestly sucks because it has been on hold for a few days. No, a few days, like weeks now, because I just honestly haven't had a lot of time. Loving these colors. I'm loving them. I can't even believe the amount of makeup Lacey has. It's just like my dream collection. And oh my god, the amount of Jeffree Star lipsticks this girl has. I need them. No, but really, she has an amazing collection. And I know she has been collecting makeup for way longer than I have, so that's probably why. I'm so smart. I'm like a detective. I just figure shit out all the time. I don't think I'm gonna need to actually cut my crease or anything today because with how hooded my eyes are, it's so easy for me to fake a cut crease. But I'm gonna take Hungover, which is this beautiful dark shimmery purple, and I'm gonna start to put this into my outer corner. No. Oh yes. There is definitely fallout, but I'm just gonna tap that off a little better. Alright, I need to dust away fallout as I go, or it's going to give me stress and I won't be able to focus. And I'm not blending anything too much yet, even though it's all gonna get blended anyway, but yeah. And I feel like I'm gonna attempt to fit all of these colors on my lid slash inner corner. Because I kind of want, I don't know what I want. Maybe I shouldn't start talking about what I want until I'm decided. And because, oh no. Because this is a shimmer, this is not going on the best with a fluffy brush. That's what I was trying to say. I'm gonna take this little, what are you? I don't know which way this goes. Oh, Alamar? Alamar. I'm so smart. And I'm gonna try it not wet because I don't want it wet on my outer corner. I keep losing my train of thought because my brain isn't fully here right now, but it's here enough for me to feel like I can film a video. But what I'm just trying to do right now is find a brush to use on my lower lash line. I'm also gonna take this purple right down here. I'm just doing some blending now. That's all. This is messy. The purple hates me. Other than that, everything is going really well. I'm gonna deal with all that in a minute. I'm gonna finish my eyes, and I think I just want to swatch this pink because it might be, she said it might be more of a topper color, but I don't really know what to put it on top of. But I want to use this to transition from purple to orange. So I'm not going to use too much of this. Oh yeah, so sparkly. This pink is very glittery. I can see giant flecks of shit on my eyeballs. Okay, I have done eyeshadow looks with 12, 18, you know, lots and lots of colors on my eyes, and I don't know why I'm having such a hard time right now. I'm telling you, I forgot how to do makeup. All right, it's time to use orange. This is called Dranks. Dranks. I don't really drink, so. Ooh, I like that orange shade though. My eyelids are so dry that I feel like everything is just looking terrible. Just so you guys know, I am gonna add like some highlighty shades that aren't in this palette, but at least, oh my god, the alerts coming in on my phone right now. At least I am going to use every shade in this palette. All right, so I'm going to use the yellow called It's a Party. Love this bright yellow too. It's a party for sure. You know what's funny is I feel like I can be more like me and like joke around and stuff when I'm making my videos, especially if I'm by myself, because then like even if nobody laughs at me, I'm not gonna know, and at least I laughed at myself. Like the way this looks kind of blended into the blue a little bit. Ooh, kind of like going up on top of the blue. Yeah. Does anybody like it? Does anybody have this palette? I feel like I never see anyone use this. I'm gonna use hi, the palette's right in front of me. Okay, it's like a little pencil brush, and I'm taking Damage Control, which is the brighter of the two blues, and I'm gonna meet it with the yellow, but we're going mostly blue. This is definitely a party on my eyes. Okay, I still need to figure out how I'm gonna clean this up. What if I take some of the powder I used? Try that. It's definitely helping, so that's good. Alright, so what am I going to put on my brow bone for a highlighter? And I also kind of want something a little more sparkly on my inner corner. Oh, you know what? Let's try something else she gave me. It's like a little colored highlighter. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to put the blue one on my brow bone and the yellow one on my inner corner. Ooh, this is pretty highlighter. I may need to add one of these colors to my face. I never really use colorful highlighters, so I'm excited to try these. Okay, and now I'm going to take some of the yellow. Oops, that was a lot. That was a lot. Let's add more. I like this just layered on top of that. That looks, ooh. I am just adding this highlighter kind of all over in there. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I need to blend out the eyeshadow on my lower lash line because that is looking real harsh. I'm looking very, very pale. Yeah? What is that about? Nothing crazy. Just getting rid of the harsh lines. Ugh! That still looks awful under there. I'm not happy. I cannot do my makeup lately. Like, it just doesn't work. Alright, let's see what I got for eyeliners. So, I could do yellow, or I could do this, like, almost red, but it's orange. Or I've got purple, or, ooh, I've got this blue. No, I think I'm just going to do yellow, because we got a lot going on already. I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to put mascara on, and I'm probably just going to do my lips. I'm just going to do everything, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I don't really know what to say other than I'm annoyed. And this is what's been happening to me every time I do my makeup, and I need to be done. I can't even get my mascara to go on correctly, okay? Has anybody ever seen my eyelashes look this awful? Because sometimes they come out bad, but not really bad. And also, I have been fucking with my lips for like a half an hour, and I can't put on lipstick anymore, apparently, but don't want this to be one of those videos because I'll end up throwing it away. Alright, if I put this out, then thanks guys for watching. Let me know if you have used this palette, if you like it, what you think about what I did with it, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.